Make way, everybody. Hero coming through. You better not let this whole saving the day thing go to your head, or I'm gonna regret my decision. Yeah, that's right. Bet you thought you'd be rid of me by now. Nope, I'm sticking around. Zavala convinced me. Can you believe it? We talked a lot about the clans I put together. He likes them. Thinks they'd be a good addition to the city, so here I am. Still feels crazy to me, but these days, what's not? The Traveler is alive. Old rules don't apply anymore. But hey, never really liked rules to begin with. What's that? No. Say what you want to say.
I never thought the Traveler would wake again. If the Traveler was testing me, I think I failed. Being wrong is a new experience for me. But now, I see that the mysteries of this universe are far deeper than I ever dreamed. In the Traveler's light, whole new worlds of possibility unfurl before us. For the first time in centuries, I have no idea what the future holds. Isn't it exciting? We stand behind you.
If we shut that line off, the south elevators are gonna freeze.
The schematics for this structure do not.
Hey. Oh, hey. You know, I used to think the Vanguard was a bad fit for a hunter, but I'm doing some good up here. Most folk just see Ikora's calm and collected side these days. You should have known her back in her Crucible days. Like that time Ikora and I... Actually... Yeah, she would kill me if I told you this one. Never mind. I guess what I'm trying to say is... Just remember, Guardian. The Vanguard's behind you. Always. Oh! Gave myself goosebumps. Be brave out there, Hunter.
How you like my new setup? Though sometimes I still look up and expect to see the old hangar. Oh. Ain't the first time I've had to start over. Forward momentum. It's a beautiful thing. Speaking of which, I hope you like this sparrow I made for you. What are you doing still talking to me? Go on, take it for a spin. Watch where you step, yeah?
Find anything good out there, Hunter?
I used to think the future war.
Step on up. Take a
Let's
look.
make the Red Legion pay, Gordon.
I helped build these walls, you know. I was proud of them. I still am. But walls don't just keep out our enemies. They keep us in. It can be easy to forget that. In this, the start of our new golden age, the city is anywhere and everywhere humanity sets foot. We will venture outward. We will dare to behold the unknown. We will walk upon new planets. And one day, in the light of distant stars, and Guardian, you will lead the way. Remember what we fight for. The city will remember this for generations to come. So many gave their life for this. I must honor their sacrifice.
Back from the hunt, I see.
Get a hold of it. You're being reassigned to the South Wall. Send it to Iraq Jaw. Well
I would have died when the old tower fell for dead Orban.
You're always good to see you, Guardian. Thank you for shopping at Eververse. Just browsing. That's fine by me.
Bad noise.
We drove the Red Legion out. Do the same to
So glad you have come. Until we meet again.
Good, you're here. Then so is the war.